In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove overlapping duplicate objects in AutoCAD. To begin, identify the area in your drawing that contains overlapping or duplicate objects. Once you have found the objects you want to clean up, go to the command line and type OVERKILL, then press Enter. After starting the command, select the objects that may contain duplicate or overlapping elements. You can click and drag over the area to select multiple objects at once. When your selection is complete, press Enter again to confirm. AutoCAD will then analyze the selected objects and automatically remove any duplicate or overlapping elements it finds. After the process finishes, check the command line to view the result. AutoCAD will display the number of duplicate objects that were successfully removed. If you need to clean another area of your drawing, simply repeat the same process by selecting the objects and using the OVERKILL command again. And that's how to remove overlapping duplicate objects in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.